Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to your lecture number 4 of English subject. So we have completed the lesson translation. Now we are going towards the exercise of the lesson. So the first thing that is we have to solve in the exercise, that is the glossary. So in glossary we have the word is unparalleled, unmatched, बेमिसल, dunes, sandy hills, रेतले टीले, dazzling, extremely bright, मुनव्वर, ट्रॉपिकल, मुंतका हारा, वेरी हॉट, एलोकेंस, बलागत को कहते हैं, फ्लुएंट, जारहानापन को भी कहते हैं, प्रोमलगेशन, अशात, एडवेंट, डिस्पेंसेशन, स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ मैसेज, वर्ज, एज, कियोस, इंतशार, कन्फ्यूजन, क्रम्बल, ब्रेक इनटू पीसेस, टूट फूट जाना, सॉलिट्यूड, द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग अलोन, तन्हाई, मेडिटेशन, थिंकिंग डीपली इन साइलेंस, गहरी सोच में होना, खामोशी में होना. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज कंपैशन, स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग ऑफ सिंपैथी, रहम की गहरी सोच फॉर पीपल, लोगों के लिए हुआ सफरिंग जो तकालीफ में है, एंड अ डिज़ायर, और एक ख्वाहिश टू हेल्प देम, उनकी मदद करने की, शफकत भी कहते हैं हम इसे. एरेडिकेट, रिमूव, ख़त्म करना, बेस्टुएट, टू कन्फर, एज अ गिफ्ट, अता करना, प्रोक्लेम, डिक्लेयर करना. नेक्स्ट इज अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सीरीज ऑफ कनेक्शन, महवर को कहते हैं, पैगन, डिसबिलीवर, काफर, रीनाउंस करना, टू स्टेट पब्लिकली दैट यू नो लॉन्गर हैव अ पार्टिकुलर बिलीफ, तर्क कर देने को कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, डिमोलिश, डिस्ट्रॉय करना, ख़त्म करना. डायलिमा, अ डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन, उलझन को कहते हैं. थियोलॉजी, रिलीजियस बिलीफ, मजहबी तालीमात को कहते हैं. एवरलास्टिंग, नेवर एंडिंग, अब्दी. प्रूजलिटाइजिंग, प्रीचिंग, तबलीग करने को कहते हैं. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, कंप्लीट चेंज इन सम बॉडी, यानी तब्दीली. इम्बॉडीमेंट, लिविंग एग्जाम्पल को कहते हैं, यानी मुजस्सम. नेक्स्ट वी कम टू द पैराग्राफ नंबर 6. देयर इज द कॉम्प्रीहेंशन. So the comprehension will be do in the next lecture. Today now we are going to the next page. Page is page number 7. In this page you have to complete the B exercise, that is match column A with B to find the meaning of words. So in column A you have to write the figures from 1 to 15. With charm you will write 1, with compose 2, and with civilization 3, faith 4, 5 number will be eradicate, 6 number will be given to allocate, and the 7 number will be given best with, 8 will be given to the demolish, 9 will be given to proselytizing, and 10 will be given to the everlasting, and the 11th will be given to the embodiment, and the 12 will be given to the chaos, 13 to verge, 14 wonder, and the 15 is dignity. Now you will come to the B side and you have to mark again the numbers. So element means eliminate means khatam karna, so you have to write here 5. Next is belief, belief कहते हैं अकीदे को, so you have to write here 4. And the next is write, लिखना, so you will pair it with number 2. And the culture meaning सकाफत या रिवायत को कहते हैं, so you have to pair it with civilization. And the next is attraction, attraction कहते हैं दिलकशी को, so you have to connect it with charm. And the next word is to confer as a gift, एक तोहफे के तौर पर देना या अता करना, so we can pair it with number 7, persuade with अता करना. Fluent, जारहानापन, we have to pair it with eloquent. And preaching will be paired with number 9, proselytizing. And destroy will be paired with demolish. Living example will be paired with embodiment. Never ending will be paired with everlasting. As किनारे को कहते हैं, you have to pair it with number 13, verge. And confusion you will pair it with chaos, परेशानी. Number 14, pride, you will pair it with wonder. And the last word is surprise, you have to pair it next here, dignity. Now we come to the page number 9, and here you have to fill in the blanks from the 4 options. So first one is Ashfaq Ahmad was a dash writer, so we have to put here positive degree, famous writer. Next one is this is a very dash seminar. Here again we have to put positive degree, informative. Number 3, my mother becomes dash if I get home late. Again you have to put positive degree, anxious. Next, it is dash advisable to get the correct information from the university office. Next, number 5, who is dash for this chaos? Responsible. Now we come to the page number 10. Complete the sentences using the given verbs. So in the first sentence you have to put invite, second go, third play, fourth sells, number 5 help, number 6 allow, number 7 pass, number 8 go, number 9 inform, number 10 win. And we have taken these words from the above and we fill in the blanks. Now we come to the part D. Put the suitable verbs given in blanks. Number first, I dash living in this house since 1970. So here is present perfect continuous tense. We have to put have been with I, and the next is he. Yesterday is taking in the end, so we have to put it into the past tense, simple past tense. We have to put came. And number 3, if you first is the subordinate sentence, we have to put come, the first form of the verb. And next, number 4, he will take. It is simple future, so simple future take will before the first form of verb, will take. Number 5, he will come. Again we are using future tense for the tomorrow, simple future, so we have to use will come. So dear students, in classwork you have to do the exercise B. In exercise B you have to match the columns and send a pic of this column, and the next lecture will be about the comprehension. So dear students, you have to write the columns in the classwork and send it back to the group by making a pic. So thank you very much.